Most people think they need 20% down to buy a home. They're wrong. In fact, when buying a house in Florida right now, you might be able to get into a home with a little to even zero money down out of pocket. I'm William Ledesma. I'm a mortgage loan officer here in Florida. In this video, I'm going to break down the programs that are available to you in 2026. Before we dive in, I've helped hundreds of families that have hundreds of five-star reviews, and I've been able to do this with the same exact programs. Some people even came in with as little as $2,000 in the bank when we first got started. So whether you've been told you can't afford to buy a home or you just don't know where to start, stay with me because in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, the first option is FHA. This is the most popular first-time home buyer program in the country, and for good reason. With FHA loans, you only need 3.5% to put down. So just give you an example, on a $350,000 home, that's only $12,250. And your credit score could be as low as 580. Now, FHA does have mortgage insurance. That's the trade-off. And it stays for the life of the loan. Now, the real part is that if you have low credit score or high credit score, it doesn't matter. The mortgage insurance is going to be the same. Number two is conventional. Conventional lets you buy when your credit score is stronger. Now, really, there's no required credit score anymore for conventional, but if your credit score is better, you're going to be able to go as little as 3% down, 5% down, and if you even put 20% down, then you don't have mortgage insurance. Now, if you buy the property with just 5% down and then the equity comes down when you still have 20% equity, then you get to remove mortgage insurance. That's the trade-off. That's where conventional beats FHA. Now, the third one is Florida Hometown Heroes. This is one of my favorite programs because it's exclusive to Florida. Florida Hometown Heroes is designed for teachers, nurses, firefighters, law enforcement, veterans, other community workers. Now, it offers down payment assistance up to $35,000. 5% of the purchase price. So on a $400,000 home, they wouldn't give you 35,000. They would only give you 20,000. The good thing, it comes with 0% interest. It's a second mortgage, and you don't pay it back until you sell or refinance or move out of the house. If you work in any of these eligible professions, basically it could wipe down your entire down payment and even give you a little extra towards towards closing costs if you're doing FHA. Now, beyond Florida Hometown Heroes, additional down payment assistance programs throughout Florida. There's Florida Bond, which works pretty similar but to Hometown Heroes, but it gives you only $10,000. Now we also have different programs in Miami-Dade County. MDEAT is one of the local programs in Dade County, and there's different programs throughout Broward, West Palm, and things like that. But these are the major options. Now, just to recap, you could buy a property with little to no money down. You could buy a property FHA with 3.5% down with flexible credit. You could do conventional with just 3% or 5% down, even if your credit's not that strong. Hometown Heroes, you get up to $35,000 towards the purchase of your home. And then there's still state and county bond programs for additional statement. Now, what this means is that there's no excuses. If you want to buy a house in Florida, we can make it happen. If you want to know which program you qualify for, DM me the word down right now, and I'll send you a free home buyer guide. It breaks down every program, the income limits, how to get started. I'm William Ledesma, last licensed mortgage. William Ledesma. I'm a licensed MLO in Florida. Subscribe and follow for more tips.